Here we have long answer questions from the page number 5th. Example number 19. Rohit covers 7 upon 9 of the distance from a place A to place B, and Arun covers 4 upon 6 of the same distance. Who has covered more distance? Okay, so we have to find out the answer for that example. Also, so let us solve the A1 example. So distance covered by Rohit, we can write down here distance covers by Rohit, that is equal to 7 upon 9, and distance covers by Arun, that is equal to 4 upon 6. So first upon all we have to make their denominator same. So what we can do here, for making the denominator same, we have to multiply that numerator and denominator of 7 upon 9 fraction by 6. So multiply it by 6 and again it by 6, and also to make the denominator same for Arun, we have to multiply by number 9, that is the denominator of first fraction. So 6 into 9 also, and 4 into 9. So 7 6 are, that is the 42, and 9 6 are 54. Then we can again 4 9s are, that is the 36, and again 6 9s are 54. So here we made the denominator same. Now they are the like fraction. Now we can easily compare between them. Okay, so we can compare between them and easily find out the solution. Okay, so let us find out the solution. So here we can say that 42 is the greater than 36. So 42 upon 54 is greater than 36 upon 54, and hence we can say that 7 upon 9 is more than 4 upon 6. Okay students, so clearly we can say that Rohit covers more distance. So you can say that Rohit covers more distance. Okay, similarly we have the example B1 here. John races for 2/3 of an hour and Charlie races for 4/6 of the same time. Did both race for an equal amount of time? So इसका जवाब आएगा देखो इस तरह से. Let us solve. John race, that is equal to 2 upon 3 of an hour, and the Charlie race that is equal to 4 upon 6. If we multiply the number 2 to the John fraction, that is the 2/3, so we get here 2 2s are the 4 and 3 2s are the 6. So we can clearly say that they are now the equivalent fraction. So we can say that yes, they did both the race for an equal amount of time. So yes, they take equal time. Okay students, so that is the answer and solution of page number 5. Now let us turn the page. Now on the page number 20, A1 example. Ronnie has 2 cardboard pieces of the following shape. How can he shade each shape to show the fraction 2 upon 6? Okay, so किस तरह से उसको क्या करना है यहाँ पर 2 upon 6 ये उसको शेड करना है यहाँ पर, तो किस तरह से कर सकता है वो, लेट अस फाइंड इट आउट. So to draw a lines like that, one middle line and two equal side line, we can shade 1 2, we can make a part 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then if we shade the two parts, then we get the fraction 2 upon 6. Again here we have to draw one half line and two cross line, so we can make here 1 2 3 4 5 6 equal parts, and from that we can shade two parts. Like that Ronnie can make or shade and make the shape, show the fraction 2 upon 6. Okay students, now let us solve the B1 examples over here. So in the B1 example we have Sunita gave 8 inches in January and 1/4 of an inch in February. Did her height increase equally in 2 months? So let us check it out. Okay, height in January, that is equal to 2 upon 8, and height in Feb, that is the February, that is equal to 1 upon 4. If we multiply, if we want to make a denominator same, so we have to multiply the number 2 to the numerator and denominator of the second fraction, that is the multiply 1 multiply by 2 and 4 multiply by 2, then we get here 2 upon 8. So now they are become a like fraction, so we can clearly say that her height increased equally in 2 months. So we can say that her height increased equally in 2 months. Okay students, now let us solve some higher order thinking skill examples. We do have short answer question. Find any two fractions equivalent to 5 upon 15. So it is so easy to find out the fraction. We have to multiply the same number and we can easily find out the equivalent fraction. So here we have the fraction 5 upon 15. So multiply that 5 upon 15 by 2. So we get 5 2s are 10 and 15 2s are, okay, 2 5s are 10, so 0, then 1 carry forward, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is a 3, 10 upon 30. So equivalent fraction to the 5 upon 15 is the 10 upon 30. Okay, we can also divide 5 upon 15 by the same number, like that 5. So 5 divided by 5 and 15 divided by 5. So 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. So 1 upon 3 is also equivalent fraction to the 5 upon 15. So the fractions are 5 upon 15 is equal to 10 upon 30 is equal to 1 upon 3. So they three are the equivalent fractions, and we find out that 2 equivalent fraction to the 5 upon 15. Now let us learn the long answer question. Here we do have draw 4 similar rectangles, divide them into 2, 3, 6 and 9 equal parts, then color 1/2, 1/3, 2 6 and 3/9 parts of the rectangular respectively. Compare the color parts and write the fraction using greater than, less than or equal to. So that example I will keep for your homework part. It's so easy example. You have to draw 4 रेक्टेंगल, 4 रेक्टेंगल्स आपको यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करने हैं, और उसमें से आपको 1/2, 1/3, 2 6 एंड 3/9 पार्ट को क्या करना है, आपको कलर करना है. सो कलरिंग एक्टिविटी है, और उसको कंपेयर करके बाद में आपको देखना है कि विच फ्रैक्शन इज दे आर द इक्विवेलेंट और नॉट. इसके सॉल्यूशन के लिए मैं आपको सॉल्यूशन भी भेजने वाला हूँ. रिमेनिंग पार्ट of our chapter we will learn in next video. Bye bye for now. Take care.